Hi everyone! So today, I will make a tutorial about group data of skewness and kurtosis. First, let us define what is skewness and kurtosis. Skewness is defined as the degree of departure from symmetry. The formula of skewness is equal to 3 the quantity of mean minus median over standard deviation. And kurtosis is the degree of peakness of a frequency curve of a distribution in relation to a normal distribution. And the formula of kurtosis is equal to the summation of quantity of x minus mean to the fourth power over n times standard deviation to the fourth power for ungrouped data. For group data, kurtosis is equal to the summation of frequency, the quantity of x minus mean to the fourth power over n times standard deviation to the fourth power. Okay, let us proceed to the sample problem of skewness and kurtosis. The employee salary of 20 workers in Samsung Company are presented in table below. Calculate and interpret the result of the following. A. Person's coefficient of skewness. B. Measure of kurtosis of the fourth moment of the mean. From this table, this is the salary of employees, the number of workers, the quantity of X, and the frequency of X. The total number of workers is equals to 20. To get the midpoint, we need to add 5 plus 10 divide 2 is equals to 7. 11 plus 15 divide 2 is equals to 13. 16 plus 20 divide 2 is equals to 18. 21 plus 25 divide 2 is equals to 23. 26 plus 30 divide 2 is equals to 28. 31 plus 35 divide 2 is equals to 33. And 36 plus 40 divide 2 is equals to 38. And the total of the summation of x is equals 160. To get the fx, we need to multiply the frequency and the midpoint. 3 times 7 is equals to 21. 1 times 13 is 13. 2 times 18, 36. 6 times 23, 138. 2 times 28 is equals to 56. 3 times 33 is equals to 99. And 3 times 38 is equals to 144. And the total of the summation of fx is equals 477. Okay, let us proceed to the computation of mean. The formula of mean is the summation of fx over n is equals to 477 over 20 is equals to 23.85. For the median, we need to find the cumulative frequency. You need to solve and add the frequency and copy the last frequency, which is 3. 3 plus 3 is equals 6. 6 plus 2 equals to 8. 8 plus 6 is equals to 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. 17 plus 3 is equals to 20. And the last total answer of cumulative frequency is the same with the number of frequency, which is 20. The formula of median is lower boundary middle class plus the quantity of the summation frequency over 2 minus the cumulative frequency over frequency middle class times class width. And substitute the lower boundary of middle class is equals to 20.5 plus the quantity of frequency divided 2 is 10. Minus 8 over 6 times 4 equals 20.5 plus the quantity of 2 over 6 times 4 is equals to 20.5 plus 0.33 times 4 is equals to 20.5 plus 1.32 is equals to 21.8333333. For the variance, the formula is S squared is equals to the summation of frequency, the quantity of x minus mean squared over the summation of frequency minus 1. To get the variance, first step, complete the table of x minus mean. This is the x and this is the mean. 7 minus 23.85 is equals to negative 16.85. 13 minus 23.85 is equals to negative 10.85. 18 minus 23.85 is equals to negative 5.85. 23 minus 23.85 is equals negative 0.85. 28 minus 23.85 is equals 4.15. 33 minus 23.85 equals 9.15. And 38 minus 23.85 is equals 14.15. To get the frequency, the quantity x minus mean squared, negative 16.85 squared times 3 is equals to 851.7675. Negative 10.85 squared times 1 is equals to 117.7225. Negative 5.85 squared times 2 is equals to 68.445. And negative 0.85 squared times 6 is equals to 4.335. And 4.15 squared times 2 is equals to 34.445. 9.15 squared times 3 is equals to 251.1675. And the last 14.15 squared times 3 is equals to 600.6675. The total of the summation of frequency, the quantity of x minus mean square, is equals to 1928.55. After we complete the table, we can solve the variance. S squared is equals to 1928.55 over 20 minus 1 is equals to 1928.55 over 19 equals 101.502632. And for the standard deviation, SC squared is equals 101.502632, and the square root is 10.0748514. After we get the mean, median, and standard deviation, we can solve now the skewness. The formula of skewness is equals to 3, the quantity of mean minus median over standard deviation. Skewness is equals to 3, the quantity of mean, which is 23.85 minus median 21.833333 over standard deviation, which is 10.0748514, is equals to 3, the quantity of 2.001666667 over 10.0748514 is equals to 6.05000001 over 10.0748514 and equal to 0.60005051324. Positively skewed. For the kurtosis, we are using the group data formula. To get the frequency, the quantity of x minus mean to the fourth power, negative 16.85 to the fourth power times 3 is equals negative 10.85 to the fourth power times 1 is equals negative 5.85 to the fourth power times 2 is equals negative 0.85 to the fourth power times 6 is equals 4.15 to the fourth power times 2 is equals 9.15 to the fourth power times 3 is equals 14.15 to the fourth power times 3 is equals, and the total of the summation of frequency, the quantity of x minus mean to the fourth power is equals to 399,928.785. Is equals to 1.9408772119.532. Kurtosis is less than 3.